Hey, welcome back to my channel, YouTube friends. I know you're back here because you definitely want to see some demos of these bad boys. The Bic America Acoustech PL-200 Series 2s. As you can see, one here on the right because I'm running duals, and the other one right here on the left. My receiver that's pushing this is the Sony STR-DN1060. And obviously my TV set right here is an LG Plasma 50-inch. And I've got some movies lined up right here from my Voodoo account. And we're going to be playing some, first of all, the Mad Max Fury Road trailer. So stay tuned.
In this wasteland, I am the one who runs from both the living and the dead. Reduced to a single instinct. Survive.
As you can hear, or not hear, there is no distortion. It's unbelievable.
You arrive. From the ashes. Coming towards us.
My receiver volume right now is at 25 and it can go all the way up to 70. These Sony receivers are powerful. That's the STR-DN1060.
I want them dead. They're my property. I want a day. What a lovely day.
As the world fell, each of us in our own way was broken. It was hard to know who was more crazy. Me or everyone else.
Okay, Mad Max Fury Road there you just heard. Okay, let's move on to Kong, Skull Island. Please guys, tell me what you think of these subs in the comment section. Please to like this video and share, and please subscribe. I've got many more demos to come.
Of an island in the South Pacific.
The place where myth and science meet.
We use explosives to shake the earth, helping us to map the surface of the island. They're dropping bombs. Scientific instruments.
Is that a monkey?
Magnificent. You knew that thing was out.
What you're hearing right there is my glass window and objects right here. They're all rattling, but there's no distortion from the subwoofer. These are the stuff that are rattling, not the subwoofer. And I've got a glass sliding door right here that exit outside, and they're all rattling.
What is this place?
That's Kong. He's king around here. Kong's a pretty good king. Keeps to himself mostly. I mean, you don't go into someone's house and start dropping bombs unless you're picking a fight. Kong's God on the island, but the devils live below us.
And what are they called?
I call them skull crawlers. Why? said that name out loud before. It sounds stupid now that I say it. Just, you call him whatever you want.
Okay, so the final trailer I'm going to be playing is from the movie Dunkirk. And if you have a subwoofer at home, you have a system that has a pretty good subwoofer, this movie will show you whether or not your subwoofer can handle all the action, all the effects in movies. This movie has an awesome audio soundtrack. So here goes, Dunkirk.
What has happened is a colossal military disaster. We shall go on to the end. We shall never surrender.
These speakers beside the subwoofer, if you're wondering what they are Infinity P363s.
We have to go to Dunkirk. Ready on the stern line.
What are you doing? You know where we're going.
Into war, George.
I'll be useful, sir.
One of ours. He's on me.
I'm on him.
About to leave.
Time to go.
They need to send more.
I can feel ripples through my body. That's how powerful these subs are. And they're just at 10 o'clock on the volume dial. And my receiver right here, the receiver is just at 25 in volume.
Where are we going?
Dunkirk.
I'm not going back. If we go there, we'll die.
Your weekend sailors, not the bloody Navy.
You should be at home.
There's no hiding from this, son. We have a job to do.
Turn it around!
We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing grounds. We shall never surrender. We shall never surrender. We shall never surrender.
Where's the bloody Air Force?
Okay, that's the end of Dunkirk right there. Okay guys, so I'm very curious to hear what you have to say about these subwoofers. What have you heard? This has been recorded on a OnePlus 6. So it's not professional recording device, but I think it has a pretty good microphone. Tell me what you think. Leave your comments, your suggestions, your whatever in the comment section. Please subscribe and please follow, because I've got more music demos to come and possibly maybe more movies. But that was just to give you a real feel of what running dual Bic America PL-200 Series 2s actually sound like. Catch you later, guys.